seen him in a while. Tell him I miss him. He used to greet me with a smile. Where is your brother? The lady asked again today. I said, am I his keeper? I guess he's gone astray. Then she looked at me with tears in her eyes and said, let's go find him now, but first let's kneel and pray. Dear Father, please forgive us, for we know not what we've done. Our brother is missing. Will you help us find your son? He could be lost forever. I pray we're not too late. Am I his keeper? Yes, I am. Where is your sister? I haven't seen her for so long. Tell her I love her. She used to sing those lovely songs. Where is your sister? The lady asked again and again. I said, am I her keeper? I guess her worship was in vain. And then she had me close and said, please don't judge her. That's not for men to do, because God can renew. Dear Father, please forgive us. We know not what we've done. Our sister is missing. Will you help her find her song? She could be lost forever. I pray we're not too late. Am I her keeper? Yes, I am. Sometimes we do things that hurt someone, or we chase them away, but don't